So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a mega splash. So here we have a monster truck. Funny Felix. If you can, I put it in. You can see it says Funny Felix right here. You can't really tell, but there is a big pool of water. Wait, what? You can't really see it because it's so clear, but like, I'll make you. Hold on. Sorry, can't get to the camera to the right angle. Oh yeah, right here. See my finger? Ready? Well, see that? There's a lot of water, so it's about to go splashing through. Go in 3, 2, 1. That wasn't as big as a push, so it wasn't too crazy, but pretty good. So now, second run. So it's gonna be me. So, okay, it's gonna go. Oopsies, I didn't mean to let it go that way. Sorry, I didn't see it. I didn't mean for it to go this way. We have been doing this for a while, but we didn't put it on camera. So, ready, set, go. You can barely see that, but it made a huge collision and splash. You may have not seen it, but too bad if you did not. So now it's Kira's turn. But before we do that, we gotta refill the water with this bucket. Get it under. Turn it on. Ow, it's bubbling. So we're gonna it's gonna take only a few more seconds to fill up because it's not that much of it. It might not look like it's this big of a thing, but it actually is pretty big. Oh my God, it's gonna overflow. It's gonna overflow. Okay, it's gonna overflow. It's overflowing. Oh jeez. If you've seen that, you will be scared if this thing overflowed on you. Unless you're in a pool, because technically if you're in a pool, you would kind of already get very wet. So oh jeez. It's hard to hold a camera and bring this thing. So sorry if you're not getting much of this. Okay, let's just bring it over. Okay. Oh jeez. It will still be epic if I just dump this because no. Oh, it just took a lot. You can kind of tell. Okay. There's bubbles. You see those little things? Those are bubbles. Ready, set, go. So here, I'm gonna start to dump in 3, 2, 1. Sorry, but you didn't really see the dump. It was massive. So sorry. So now, Kira, push it in 3. Push it as hard as you can in 3, 2, 1. It just did a mega splash. So let's do this again. Back up and running mouth with the truck. Okay. Oh, jeez. I just let it fall. Redo that. Hold on. One more splash and that will be the end of the video. Sorry if it's a little short, but we don't have much time out here. We're technically in our screen break, so we're not really supposed to be doing this. So we need a screen to do this. Ready? Come on. Ready?
Set.
Come on, ready? Ready, set, go. So there. So that is the end of the video, guys. See you next time. Leave a like and comment down below what we should do next. Whatever you want. Just go also check out Unspeakable's channel. He's my favorite YouTuber. He will do Minecraft. I will do Minecraft once I figure out how to do it. So stay tuned for that. And bye, guys. See you next in a brand new video.